Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Eunice Zamaya and this is Eunice Vlog. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So guys, today I'm going to be talking about mini twists which you can see on my hair. I don't know if you have a nice view of it. Mini twists, I've talked about various ways you can style your mini twist and yeah, how to make mini twists. So I have done that in my previous videos on my YouTube channel, so you check how to make a mini twist and how to style it. So now I'm going to tell you how you can grow your hair in a mini twist and why you should try mini twist as your best natural hairstyle to do. Now, like I've said in those videos, the one I actually said how to make your mini twist, I said it's like the best protective style I would do. So I'm recommending it for you guys to do also because I feel it's more easy to put on and it's more easy to take out. It's less manipulative, and for your natural hair you don't need stuff that is over manipulative because it's going to break and cut your hair. So you need something that won't break and cut your hair. And if you're trying to retain length or you're trying to grow your hair, I think mini twist is actually a hairstyle you can actually do to achieve these goals. So first things first, when you're doing mini twist, you don't have to make it very tight. Mini twist is very easy to stay on your hair, so you don't have to hold it so tight when you're trying to make it. You can just make it easy and you put it on. Now after putting this mini twist on your hair, the very good advantage about this mini twist is like if you don't like a particular style, you can change it from days to day, like every day. You can see this one I'm packing now. I can decide to change it to another style if I want to and put it in various styles to look cute and all good. So now how can you protect your mini twist and grow your hair in it? Like I've said, mini twist is kind of like the most easy hairstyle to make, so to protect it will also be very easy to do. All you need to do is get your spray bottle to moisturize your hair daily, apply oil and style your hair in numerous styles. That's how easy it is for you to protect your mini twist. It's very easy. It's so easy, like very easy. And though minitis has advantages but it also has disadvantages. The disadvantages of this minitis is it tends to get frizzy at the edge of your mouth. So what I do to prevent this, I actually moisturize my mouth, the hair of my mouth to the tip, and also apply oil on the edge so it don't break quickly. But this is actually the very best protective style for you to do to grow your hair and to retain length and stuff like that. Manipulation is no good for your hair, and you doing a protective style that is less manipulative, it actually protects your hair and tends to make your hair grow. I'm thinking if you're having hair issues and stuff like that, mini twist should be the best hairstyles you should do on your hair for growth and to retain length. Other good reasons why mini twist should be the protective style you are trying, it's very easy to style. Imagine you don't want to pack your hair like this, you can do it in various styles and it's very nice. The best style to do, to be very honest guys, I prefer mini twist over cornrow and other hairstyles, but it doesn't cut your hair or it doesn't cause damage to your hair. The only issue with mini twist is just the frizzy aspect, which you can solve by spraying your hair with water every day and using leave-in conditioner and sealing with oils. So guys, this has to be the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and check out the various links in my description box. They have different purposes for you, just in case you want to know a lot about mini twist and the content I've created on mini twist. You can actually check them through the description box below. So till we meet again guys, bye.